Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook posts not showing on timeline. So if you find that your Facebook post is not showing on the timeline or on your profile, you can try to fix it with this solution. First, let's just close this Facebook app. Okay, so you need to go to the settings app on your phone. Then in here, find the app settings and click on Facebook so you can see the app setting for Facebook on your phone. Then go to the storage and cache. Here, try to clear the cache of the Facebook app. So by doing so, hopefully this will solve your problem. But if it still doesn't fix it, then you need to make sure that you already have a Facebook on the latest version, and you can check it on the Play Store. In here you can find or search for Facebook on the Play Store. Okay, so on Facebook in here, if you see there's any updates available, or if you see that the Play Store asks you to update the Facebook app, then you need to update it so that you can have the latest version of the app. Okay, so the last thing or the last solution that you can do is you can go to your Facebook account and then hit on your photo profile at the top right corner, and in here go to the settings and privacy, and then click on settings. Then just scroll down until you find your activity. This one, go to the activity log, and in here click on this your Facebook activity, and you'll find the post option. Tap on the manage post options. Okay, sorry, so you need to click on this your post photos and videos, and now you need to select all of your posts in here, and then tap on this three dots icon at the bottom, click on change audience, and in here tap on change audience again, and make sure that the chosen one is public so that your Facebook post will be showing on the timeline. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.